Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. A happy new year. Happy 2021. Yes, and today, in yesterday's newspaper on Thursday, December the 31st, 2020. Yes, because on New Year's Day there is no a newspaper, so I will continue with the last four Sudokus, the extra Sudokus, and this will be a one-star Sudoku, two stars Sudoku, tectonic with a one star, and a binary number two. Yes, and the first Sudoku a one star. Is it really a one star? I do not know, because all the Sudokus, the publisher has published all the Sudokus with 25 printed digits. Yes, I have already counted 25. This is also a 25 printed digits, and yesterday I've made those two Sudokus. Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars. Both has 25 printed digits, and it's remarkable that the 4-star Sudoku is faster than a 3-star Sudoku. So I'm very curious about the 1-star. So let's get started. All right, and this will be a number 2094. Yes, because I continue with the numbering. Oh, all right, so let's get started. All right. Let me scan the puzzle. Let me see. How about yeah. I see here in the last row. Wait. No, I cannot do this. Interesting. I'm scanning 9, 6. No. Yes, the one in this column, the one in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the one should be here or there. We see there one, no one there. One should be here. Then. Ooh. Wow. Yeah. No. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for a 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are 1, 2. The 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8. I see here 4 and 8. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes. We see there 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. And then 3 missing numbers in this big square, the center big square. One of the number is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those boxes. 6 and 9. That means in the middle column, 2 missing numbers, actually the 3, but those numbers are the 6 and the 9 and the 4. 6, 9, 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4, sorry, should be there. So 6 and the 9 are left. 6 and the 9. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The 2, the 3, and the 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We have a 5 in this column, a 5 in the third column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle, a row, so the row above. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with 5. How about these 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 6 are missing. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 2 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 2 and we see there 4. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. So we have a 4 in this row, a 4 in the row below, so on the last row. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. We have a pair in the last column. We see here the 3 and a 1 in this column, the 3 and a 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the 3 and the 1 should be there, because it cannot be there. 3 and a 1. So the 3 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 8. 8 is missing. So we have an 8 in the third row. 8 in the first row. So the row between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here and there. We see here on 8. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Then we have a pair again, 1 and a 2 in this row, 1 and a 2 in the row above. So in that row, the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. Alright, So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 7 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 numbers. 7 and the 9. That means in this column should be also 7 and the 9. We see there 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 1 number left in this last row for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. We see here the 2 and the 4. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 1 number left in the second row for the number 1. Alright, now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 6. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 3 and the 7 now are left. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 3 and 6. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 number left in the second column for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 4. And the last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. All right. I like this Sudoku with 1 star. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. So, thank you, and see you then. Bye-bye for now.